Downtown is making a splash. I want to thank everybody for coming together to celebrate this moment of Level 1 in downtown Mesa.
We are reintroducing 48 West Main Street back to the public. That's a big deal. This is the character of downtown Mesa. This is not a scrape it off and build something shiny neighborhood.
We ended up having to do a lot of work to this building. As you will see when you walk downstairs, there's a lot of structure that we had to put in here.
Mesa seemed like it would be a really good fit for us to hopefully create the vibe that everybody's been wanting here for a really long time.
As everybody walks through here, you can truly see that it's an experience that everybody will remember.
Thank you, Caliber and Walt's Construction, for making it work here and creating such a fabulous project.
Thank you for your commitment to the city of Mesa. Let's start having fun.